How to create SafePal Wallet. Are you guys facing issues to create wallet on SafePal? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open SafePal on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download SafePal on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do. Once you open the app, you can see this option for create new wallet. Tap on it. Now write down the PIN for your wallet. Again, write it down. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to create wallet on SafePal application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.